Man, I feel like a woman.
I'm an ugly girl, my face makes you hurl. Said I have it, I should bag it. Acne everywhere, unwanted facial hair. I'm a relation to Frankenstein's creation.
You're so ugly, you disgust me.
Daddy's on the phone.
Do you like waffles?
Yeah, we like waffles.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah, we like pancakes.
Do you like French toast?
Yeah, we like French toast.
Man, I feel like a woman.
So shut up!
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
New in the building?
Yeah, I just moved in Monday.
Oh. You like it so far?
Mm-hmm. Everybody's been real nice.
Well, that's because you have big jugs. I mean, your boobs are huge. I mean, I want to squeeze them. Mama!
Man, I feel like a woman.
Say, come on, take that little slut, you hooker, you bitch. Get your eyes out.
Oops, sorry, let's get the hell out of here.